As the world attempts to identify and quantify climate-related financial risk associated with climate change, it has become clear that there is a lack of consistency between taxonomies, methodologies, and even how to collect, align, and manage climate risk data. There are effectively no standards today for how to combine climate science with financial engineering in a risk management framework. What is needed are standards that can be used to identify and consistently align climate-related risk data in a transparent and regulatory compliant manner across the world's geographies. To this end, Risk Thinking has developed and is now making available the Climate Risk Classification Standard, or CRCS. CRCS is an emerging taxonomy of climate-related risks that unifies transition and physical risk related to climate change in a consistent and reproducible manner. It is a globally comprehensive ontology of risk that has been codified in a scientific, transparent, and fully auditable manner, and is now openly available to help organizations and institutions align data, build climate-related risk models, and to conduct structured analysis for identifying the financial exposure and impacts of climate change. CRCS provides a structured science-based methodology for spatially and temporally aligning taxonomies of climate-related risk variables to a single consistent global standard. As part of the standard, every climate risk-related region, factor, and data variable is defined, indexed, and codified to a hierarchy which includes 7 components. The first component of CRCS defines the geospatial structure for aligning climate risk data. At the highest level, there are 62 climate risk regions that encompass the entire Earth, land, and sea. These regions' scale and resolution are geospatially indexed and follow a normalized hierarchy that provides a consistent structure for mapping and aligning climate-related risk data. Aligned to each climate risk region are the climate modulators that drive each region's climatology. There are 39 climate modulators defined in the standard, including the Indian Ocean Dipole, El Niño, Pacific Decadal Oscillation, and others. In addition to climate risk regions and climate modulators, CRCS defines 12 climate elements, 96 climate indices, and 11 representative concentration pathways. The standard defines 40 chronic and acute physical climate risk variables and 642 socioeconomic transition risk variables. Each of these climate risk variables, transition and physical, has been aligned within CRCS to one of 5 macro climate risk factors. These factors, which collectively encompass the elements of risk related to climate change, include policy risk, economic risk, carbon risk, physical climate risk, and social risk. Effectively, CRCS provides a science-based structure and methodology to facilitate the alignment, aggregation, and analysis of climate-related financial risk data, allowing users to extract actionable insights on the potential impacts of climate change over time in a globally consistent, transparent, and standardized manner. For more information on CRCS, please visit us at riskthinking.ai.